So, the overall theme of EDF 2015 is exploiting data integration. So, where do you see the greatest opportunities for innovation in data integration for the media?
Yeah, I think if you focus on media, the biggest opportunity is, of course, in what we did in the past as well, to have metadata around the videos. So data on data means metadata on video. In general, I think it is a question about security as well. So where we can enforce security. And what I saw 10 years or 5 years ago was in Shanghai was about health as well. So if we take a media away and we talk about more about other opportunities, I think it's in security and health. I see the biggest ones. We are very happy that we achieved the integration and the acceptance of the US studios, that we can put our technology there in their facilities and that we can exchange data with content producers between the US and Europe on a very efficient way. So this is in place since now a few years, and now we focus on metadata, the data around the videos.
So this year is the 4th edition of the European Data Forum. What do you like about the forum, and what importance does it have for the evolution of media in Europe?
I think what I like about the forum is because it's very open, so it's not focused on one particular business. It's very open. It's a lot of research people that you see which have an open mind. So it's about open innovation. It's a lot about innovation. I think that's what I like most. Europe is lacking behind if you talk about infrastructure and a global approach in terms of services for Europe. We are lacking behind, so we need to do something. Luxembourg did a lot over the last years in terms of infrastructure, but now we need to develop the services. For us as a media industry in Luxembourg, I think the important partners are Lux Innovation and the list, which is the research centers. I think with these people we can develop new innovative solutions.
So big data and smart data are currently the most popular trends. What do you see as the biggest challenges facing these trends in Europe, and in which areas is Europe already a leader?
I think if we talk about smart data, it's about, for us in the media industry, it's about recommendation and tell the viewers what is best for them or what they can view next, etc. I think analytics and data analytics about consumer behavior is important. The problem is that Europe is a fragmented market, though these tools, they require a lot of resources as well. So in many cases, these markets are too small to get this installed. But that will take a while. I believe that this will come. There is a lot of opportunities in terms of new services built around that data knowledge. We recently, only as a group, on a group RTL group level, operating from Luxembourg, we just bought two startups, if you call them like that. One being SpotX, which is a trading platform about where can I put my commercial for the best price. So people can trade commercials. So in a very fast way to have their commercial placed either on online or whatever media. I think that's an interesting thing. The other one is only last week, Video Amp, which is what they call the cross-screen data optimization. So it's as well the viewers where they consume videos on what platform, on what media. So I think it's an interesting field for us, and in our sector as well, as media is changing a lot. I think it's an interesting time to see this and to see the evolution in terms of research as well.